29.5 pounds of crackers. Manufactured July 16th, 1964. Survival crackers. Smells bad.
You don't know that.
Can you smell that? You're kidding.
I don't think it smells like it smells like canned food.
They're only 47-year-old crackers. There's a bad odor coming from that can.
Yeah, that doesn't figure it out. Okay.
Miley thinks this is our solution to our year supply of food.
What we're eating. Oh, look at
Careful.
Here.
Crackers.
Survival crackers.
Don't eat some.
There's only 1,300 of them.
Pull one of the containers out.
Look at that. What?
47-year-old crackers. Try a piece.
They need to be aired out.
Try a piece. Just a little piece.
You taste it first. I'll videotape you.
I can't do it. That's disgusting.
So maybe it's not good. Not good?
Bad idea. 1964. Don't eat these. It'll end your life instead of prolonging your